Episode of
Plant Pirates.
Yeah, that's right. I'm your captain, Edward Teach, and this is my vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge. And we're going to be sailing the high seas today, looking for what?
Free plants.
And how are we going to get them?
Landscape debris piles.
That's right, y'all. Today is landscape debris pickup day in our community, so we're going to sail around in our golf cart here, looking for free plants. But we got to get going because somebody else is out to get them. Who is it?
British Royal Navy.
The British Royal Navy, aka the Waste Management Landscape Debris Trucks. They'll come along and crush up all of our plants if we don't get to them first. So we're gonna get going down the road and we'll get back with everybody if we get something good. Alright, this first street was a bust. I think one of the things we're up against here is a lot of the snowbirds have gone home. So there's not as many piles as there usually is. But I know we're gonna get some good stuff. We have to persevere. We gotta keep looking, keep hunting. Alright, we came up on this pile and I figured there's gotta be something in here, and sure enough, look at all these Dracaenas. Holy
I thought it was just like
cow.
palm fronds.
There's like a giant pile of Dracaenas here. Is it all connected?
I think they might be.
Oh my goodness, look at them all. Alright, I'm gonna have to jump out and have Teddy because there's just a ton here. We're definitely gonna save some of these from the trash. Looks like our competition broke down. Now we get all the plants. Okay, here are bins and bins of some nice...
I don't think we have that one.
Yeah, I'm not sure we do either. With the purple center in it?
Yeah.
Look at that. Bins and bins of them set out so nicely. Roots and everything. We're definitely going to save some of these from the trash. Okay, here's bins and bins of Schefflera. We find this every week, but it is one that is super easy to root from cuttings. Both this one and the variegated kind. So we'll save a couple of these cuttings from the trash.
Kent.
Alright, these people have two different varieties of mangoes, just loaded with fruit right here. Yeah, it looks like Teddy said maybe a Kent and a Adelufo or Nam.Mai or something. I don't know. Oh my gosh, they're just loaded with fruit.
Yeah, and look, right when the first one's going to be done being ripe, the Adelufo will be ripe.
Yep. Oh man, I am jealous. Awesome. Alright, we already have one of these, but I know Teddy's little brother would probably love another one.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes,
you really want to get
perfect. It is like some stuff he doesn't have.
Alright.
Yes.
We'll grab it. Alright, we got some autograph plant here. You want to grab a couple pieces?
Yeah.
Clusia. This is a common hedge in our area. Super easy to root from cuttings. Okay, we got a whole pile of yucca here. Careful, that's spiky stuff. Yeah. But this is another one that's easy to root from cuttings, so we'll save a couple of these.
Dr. Seuss tree.
It does look like a Dr. Seuss tree. And we'll save one or two of these from the trash. Man, look at this killer homemade boat right here. I've always wanted to boat to the Bahamas. I think throw a little motor on the back of that.
No, I say Hawaii.
A couple fishing poles. Yeah, fishing pole holders. We could fish on the way. Killer. We're definitely loading that up. Alright, we just rolled up on a killer bin here. It looks like we have some tea plants right here. Oh, that's a pretty tea plant. Show them tea plant. Yeah, look at that. And then you said there's plumeria in there? Oh, there is. Oh my gosh. We're definitely going to save this stuff from the trash. We're going to save all those tea plant cuttings from the trash. They root easy from cuttings. Alright, we made it back to the house.
Yeah.
We were actually able to go a lot faster this week because our golf cart is missing a bunch of parts.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Why is it missing a bunch of parts?
I hit a tree.
She did. Annalisa hit a tree and...
Our Chihuahua tried to jump out, and I was saving her life.
Yeah, whatever. Well, anyways, now I don't have a windshield anymore. This support brace is broken, and my speaker's broken, but it's all right. Nothing some plastic zip ties won't
Hey,
fix.
no one got hurt.
No one got hurt, and there was no drugs or alcohol involved, or distracted driving or anything like that. Well, Chihuahua distracted
Just
driving.
a Chihuahua.
Yeah.
Just a Chihuahua.
The last time she rides.
the wheel and bite and steer into a tree.
It's the last time she rides in the golf cart.
All right, so I think we have to go ahead and let our little one see this. We're going to do the big reveal with that first because he's so excited. He doesn't know what we have out here, and then we'll show him the rest of the plants. So, come here. Come here. Come here. All right, let's see. Come here, Raymond. Let me show you what you got, buddy. Look at this.
What is that?
Is it another kitchen? Oh my goodness. So he's obsessed with these little kitchens. We got him one for his birthday, and he's been playing with it nonstop. So I don't know what we're gonna do
Now we
with
have
it.
now we have an outdoor kitchen.
Now we have 2 of them. So, all right. So we'll let Raymond play with that while we do the plants. Let's go ahead and show everybody what we got. I say we pull those.
The Dracaenas off
Yeah,
the
let's
top.
pull these Dracaenas down here. We had to use our surfboard rack because they were so big. But these are
They look nice.
Yeah, these are some specimen plants right here. And those will root from cuttings. I think we have a couple more in there, don't we?
Maybe get those. They're like way up.
Yeah, they're.
Okay, we'll pull those out at the
Yeah,
end.
let's get the tea plants next.
Oh, hold on. Let's do tea plants next.
Hold on. Okay.
Tea plants next. All right, so this tea plant, get them all. This is a great variety of tea plant.
Yeah, I
I'm
love this variety.
not sure what the variety is, but it grows real nicely, and it's just
Isn't
a vigorous.
it like I remember. It's like I don't know.
Yeah,
Maui
we did a tea
sunset
plant.
or something.
We did a tea plant tour a long time ago.
We did a tea plant tour, yes. So if you check out our other videos, you might be able to find the variety of this one. It's like Maui sunset or something, but I just love this one. It's got kind of some pink variegated leaves on it. All right, I guess Annalisa can't wait here, so we're going to do bromeliads next.
We don't have this one.
We do not have this one.
Look at that.
I know,
It's
it's
like
killer.
ultraviolet.
It's killer. We got a ton of them. Look what Teddy's about to pull out.
Can you help?
Yeah, I'll help you.
They're kind of spiky, but
They're a little spiky, yeah. I can get this whole
nice
bunch.
size.
There we go.
oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Yeah, we don't have that one. So,
No,
and you
we
can
don't.
see these have already flowered. That's probably why they put them out, but they'll shoot off pups for us.
There's
So
probably some pups around.
I
there
bet you there
somewhere.
is. I bet if you look through there. All right, what else we got?
Okay, we've got the autocraft plant or Clusia.
Lucia, yes. So this is one that people use as it's a popular as a hedge plant in our area, but it's called the autograph plant because you can write your name in it or something and it'll stay there as long as the leaf is alive. It's a super cool plant. It looks like a giant succulent almost.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Looks like a jade plant.
Oh yeah,
Giant
yeah.
jade.
All right, I think we only got a couple cuttings of
We only
that.
got 2.
All right, what else you got in there?
I guess next is the bayonet yucca.
Okay. Yeah, this is another one that roots from cuttings real easy. These are some sorry looking cuttings. Looks like it has some kind of blight on it, but we can strip all these dead leaves off and strip these leaves right here off, and it will root. We've had 100% success with yucca, rooting
they
yucca
get
from
like a
cuttings. Hold on
ponytail.
just a minute, kiddo. You keep playing.
Their trunks look like ponytail palms.
They do,
When
yeah, when they get big enough.
They
Yep.
bulge out at the base, which is cool.
All right, what else is in there?
We've got the rest of these.
Yep, some more Dracaenas.
Oh, and ship.
Here, let's hold on.
Yeah.
Let's get these Dracaenas. Those are the same as these, I think.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
That was a nice little.
Yeah, there was even more of them. There's only so many we could take. So.
Next is Chapelera.
All right, and then we got some Chapelera. Yeah, and like I said, this is another one super
Chapelera.
easy to Chapelera, easy to root from cuttings. Both this one and the variegated variety.
We both had like the same success rate. I
Yeah.
feel.
And then what? Is there anything left? Oh,
It's not
and
plant
a
pirates without a plumeria.
yeah, without a sorry plumeria cutting. And Teddy and I tried to scope the yard out that this came from the best we could, and we couldn't figure out what.
Their plumeria wasn't flowered.
Yeah, it looks like this one had flowers on it right there, but who knows what color or what variety it is. So, is that it?
Yeah.
All right, so we got some good stuff today. Like we talked about earlier, the snowbirds are all gone, so there's less piles out than normal, but we still got some good stuff. I would say I have to be the most stoked about this new bromeliad we got here.
For sure.
I like Raven's house.
I mean,
I love these tea plants too. I think
Yeah.
These are like.
we
one of my
already
favorites.
have that
These
one.
and the Auntie Liz
Yeah.
are my favorite.
He's real excited about his house.
Yeah, I think Raymond, what are you the most excited about?
Cleaning this off.
Yeah, we need to clean it off. It looks like it sat outside for a little bit, but I know Raymond will have hours and hours of fun with that thing. Who knows where we're going to put it? You guys look inside the garage there. It's just stuffed with junk. But
And there.
no, I don't think it's going in there. We'll see. If we get it cleaned up, maybe. So, all right, y'all. Well, I hope you enjoyed the adventure today. If you have any questions or comments about any of the plants that we found, just post down below. If you did enjoy the adventure, maybe you consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. And if they don't, what's gonna happen, bud?
You're gonna get attacked by ravens.
Oh yeah, especially if you touch his little
House.
kitchen there, he'll definitely attack you. And he is one bad mamma jamma. You don't want to be attacked by him.
And he
so.
uses a katana blade.
Yeah, so maybe just consider subscribing to our channel. Till next time, everybody out there, take care.